In this video, I'll share with you 4 dividend stocks that I bought for August 2024. Dividend stock number 1, BMW. BMW is a renowned German car manufacturer known for its luxury vehicles and motorcycles. At the time of this video, BMW is valued at 56 billion euros. I bought 10 shares of BMW stock at $31.92 per share for a total investment of $319.20. BMW has a dividend yield of 6.74%, which means that the company will pay me $6.74 each year for every $100 I have invested in their stock. If you've seen enough of my investment videos, you probably know by now that I love to invest in companies that I personally use myself. Even though BMW is a German company, and there are some complications with buying their shares in the US due to ADR, I still chose to invest in it. I personally drive a 2023 BMW SUV, and I'm really enjoying that experience. I know that there are millions of other people that love their BMW cars and that the brand has a strong customer loyalty. So in my mind, BMW is quite a safe company to invest in, it will pay me healthy dividends, and it also allows me to diversify my investments into the European market. Dividend stock number 2, Mondelez International. Mondelez International is a leading global snack company known for brands like Oreo, Nabisco, and Philadelphia cream cheese. At the time of this video, Mondelez is valued at $89 billion. I bought 3 shares of the Mondelez stock at $66.55 per share for a total investment of $199.65. Mondelez has a dividend yield of 2.56%, which means that the company will pay me $2.56 per year for every $100 I have invested in their stock. Year to date, the stock price of Mondelez is down by about 10%. The annual revenues of Mondelez have been rising consistently over the past 5 years, surpassing $36 billion in 2023. What I like about Mondelez as a company is the large portfolio of successful brands that the company owns and operates. It's always better and safer to invest in companies that don't just rely on the success of a single product or brand. Safe and recession-proof companies is exactly what I'm going for when building my dividend stock portfolio, so adding Mondelez was a no-brainer. I also checked the company's fundamentals, including key accounting and financial ratios, and didn't see any red flags with the company. Dividend stock number 3, UPS. UPS is a global logistics and package delivery company known for its comprehensive supply chain solutions and extensive transportation network. At the time of this video, UPS is valued at $110 billion. I bought 2 shares of the UPS stock for $129.13 per share for a total investment of $258.26. So as of today, I own 8 shares of the UPS stock in total at an average price of $136 per share. UPS has a dividend yield of 5.06%, which means that the company will pay me $5.06 per year for every $100 I have invested in their stock. The highest dividend payments are usually not coming from the most exciting companies, but high dividend paying companies are usually more stable and safe. And UPS is actually a perfect example for this definition. I've been investing in UPS mostly because of its stability and high dividend payments. And the stock has been performing well until recently when it started to go down. So I'm seeing opportunities to buy even more shares of the UPS stock now in order to lower my average cost per share. I've also reviewed the company's financial metrics and ratios, which made me comfortable to continue investing in their stock. Dividend stock number 4, Volkswagen. Volkswagen is a German car manufacturer known for producing a wide range of vehicles from luxury cars to affordable models. At the time of this video, Volkswagen is valued at 58 billion euros. I bought 20 shares of Volkswagen stock at $11.96 per share for a total investment of $239.20. Volkswagen has a dividend yield of 5.35%, which means that the company will pay me $5.35 per year for every $100 I have invested in their stock. I invested in Volkswagen for the same reasons that I invested in BMW. One of my family members drives an Audi, which is a car brand owned by Volkswagen. Volkswagen also owns other popular car brands including Porsche, Lamborghini, and Bentley. And investing in Volkswagen, similar to BMW, is another way for me to diversify my investments into the European market and receive healthy dividends from a safe company. So overall, for August 2024, I ended up investing $1,016.31 across 4 dividend-paying companies. Each month, I also give you an update on how my dividend stock portfolio is performing, so make sure to check out those videos as well. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.